This is the new Sensational Barelace collection, honey. Let's get into it. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from that new Sensational Barelace collection. So I'm excited to show you guys the new updates that they've done with these units. So this unit, I'm wearing it in the style 13x6 Unit 3, and I'm wearing it in one of their new colors, which is the Secret Highlight Golden Walnut. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one. So for the construction of this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb on the back, and your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band. This is a 13x6 parting space, and it does come with baby hairs, and it is pre-plucked. Also, you will note that there is a new silicone lining that goes around the cap, which is supposed to assist with glueless installs. And one of the biggest selling point when it comes to this new Barelace collection is going to be the lace itself. Now, they do note on the card it's a 20% larger grid pattern, 40% thinner lace. It shows more skin compared to generic lace. It says that it dissipates light for a more non-reflective matte finish, and that it's stronger and reinforced tear resistant lace. Since the holes are bigger, it shows more of your scalp, so it's supposed to give more of a natural look. The lace is very thin, so I would definitely recommend wearing a darker color cap just to make it camouflage more. I know that you guys are not all crazy about baby hair, so I just wanted to kind of showcase the lace and the styling options when it comes to this unit, as far as just doing a brushed back look for the girls that don't like to have crazy baby hairs on their face. So yes, you can wear this with the baby hairs brushed back like this. The lace is softer, it's not harder. The lace is also definitely lighter, so it's even lighter than the What Lace collection. So if you are a darker skinned person like myself, I definitely would recommend needing to go in with a lace tint spray or with a concealer, because honey, it's going to be given that white cast. I feel like I did a pretty good job at camouflaging it. I went in with my Ebin lace tint spray in the color dark brown underneath the cap, as well as concealer on the top, and I feel like it is doing a pretty good job. Now, as far as the texture on this unit, I really do love the texture. The texture is definitely giving relaxed yaki. The density of it is very full. I didn't expect it to be so full because it is a short bob unit, but it's very full, but also very natural at the same point. You can see these little yaki crinkles, so I really actually do love the texture. I feel like they nailed the texture on this one. This should have been an easy throw in and go, but what I am noticing is that this unit seems like it's definitely on the smaller side, so I feel like if you do have a large size head, this one could probably be an issue for you. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and I'm barely using that elastic band, and I feel like it's kind of barely sitting even where I want it to sit. I feel like I was able to get a natural look. Like I said, I didn't lay the baby hairs down or anything like that. So that's the hair from the wig. That's not my baby hair. So it's definitely given very natural, very effortless. But like I said, you see how it's like barely fitting? It's just like right above my hairline. If my head was any bit bigger, then I feel like that would definitely be an issue. So I just want to show you guys what this color is looking like, and like I said, the color is Secret Highlight Golden Walnut. So I love the way that the color is, especially if you're a girl who isn't super comfortable with trying out different colors and stuff like that, because since it's Secret Highlight, it's like hidden underneath, which I really love. Like, look at this color. So if you're somebody who is nervous about trying colors, you want something different, you want a little pop of color, but you don't want it to do too much, you still want that natural vibe, but with something that's a little bit different, I think that this would really be for you, at least in this style itself, because I'm not sure about the curly style. But at least in the style itself, I feel like it's really cute the way they strategically placed it under, so that if you want it to show, you can kind of style it so that it shows. But if you want it to not really be that prevalent, you could just boom, and you don't really know what's there unless you turn to the side or something. I feel like it's cute. It's kind of giving peekaboo. So I really like what they have done with the color. So you are gonna notice that it has a breathable mesh cap. You'll see that there's like certain sections, it looks kind of like cut, if that makes sense. So it seems kind of like they have a mesh cap in certain areas of the mesh were cut out. So you get more of that breathability, and it's not just mesh all throughout. I literally feel no tracks at all. Like, this feels like my hair for sure. I really do like the lace, you guys. I feel like when you get it right, you get it right. So I just want to pop right into the cons and the pros of this unit. My con, just like I've said in this video, is definitely going to be the cap. I wish the cap had some more stretch to it, but other than that, that's going to be my only con. My pros with it are I really do like this new lace. I feel like it was definitely easy to blend down. Once I added my Even Lace tint spray and my concealer, it easily just kind of melted in. I really like the texture. I feel like the quality of the hair so far feels really nice, you guys. It's very similar to my own hair. I feel like they definitely have nailed that black girl yaki texture, so I'm really here for that. The density, quality of the hair, the texture, the hairline. If your head is any bit smaller than mine, then you'll absolutely love this unit. You'll be able to wear it glueless. The hairline will be doing what it's supposed to be doing. You won't even need to do baby hairs. You can just slap this bad boy on, decide where you want your part to be, and you'll be good to go. It's doing, as a whole, it's doing what it should be doing. It's definitely giving way more pros than cons, so I'm excited to see what else they got in store. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.